Two elites then towards the back end of the top 10, as you rightly informed. It was Weberski and Mackenzie Cresswell who struggled to make progress so far. Has Mackenzie Cresswell. He's trying to get himself inside the top 10, is inside the top 10, and look who's knocking at the next one. The has to pass is Gerard Sheen. I don't think he's going to exactly jump out of the way for him.
No, Gerard Sheen's also had some excellent pace in this race, although saying that, Kuharczyk also is the fastest man on circuit. It was the fastest that last time by. Yeah, but Sharp keep his podium position. But we know that Tim Kuharczyk, one of the fastest drivers in the championship for sure, with his amazing run of front row qualifications in the previous few rounds, and also we know that he's absolutely not shy.
Race control message to what you were saying about track limits for car 31. That is Ugacic with a 5-second time penalty. There is Hugo Schwarzer still driving really, really well. The only problem is for him, if Sean Rashid falters here and slows down slightly, that's Arthur Ojon as he leads by nearly 3 seconds, desperate for his first podium, his first victory in GD3. Of course, he did join us back in the previous year. I remember him starting out with quite an impressive performance. He went up 7 positions in his first ever race, I think it was pretty much the first couple of laps.